The iPhone Air is one of the most surprising phones Apple has made in years. At first glance, it almost seems like a gimmick, a paper-thin iPhone that prioritizes looks over substance. But after spending time with it, I can honestly say this device doesn't feel like a compromise. Apple has delivered pro-level performance, a versatile 48-megapixel camera, and a bright 6.5-inch OLED display, all packed into a body that measures just 5.6mm thin. Yes, there are some trade-offs, mainly around battery life and the absence of an ultra-wide lens, but overall, this phone represents a bold new step in Apple's design philosophy. It's a phone you really have to hold in your hand to believe. Holding the iPhone Air is like holding a contradiction. It's a razor-thin yet reassuringly sturdy. Measuring only 5.6mm, it beats the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, which one is 5.8mm in thinness, so the Galaxy Edge it out slightly in weight. Despite being so slim, the Air feels premium thanks to its titanium frame and ceramic shield to glass, Apple claims. There are 4 colors available: space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. The lighter tones, especially sky blue and cloud white, emphasize just how impossibly thin the phone is. The 6.5-inch OLED display is vibrant, sharp, and bright. Scrolling feels fluid thanks to Apple's smooth refresh handling, and outdoor visibility is excellent. For binge watchers, TikTok scrollers, and gamers alike, this display checks every box. The iPhone Air is more than just Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. It's proof that slim doesn't have to mean weak. With its flagship-level performance, gorgeous design, and versatile camera, the Air could easily be the sweet spot iPhone for people who don't need Pro Max specs but still want something that feels premium. The only real question mark is battery life. If it holds up in real-world testing, this iPhone could be one of Apple's best-selling devices in 2025. It's stylish, it's powerful, and it's the iPhone that's going to turn heads, not just because it's thin, but because it's genuinely practical.